So how to pay your road tax online. So to pay your UK road tax, it's very simple to do. And what you're going to want to do is head over to the government website and go onto this page here where it says tax your vehicle. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. So to tax your car, motorcycle or other vehicle, you'll need a reference number from either a recent vehicle tax reminder or last chance warning letter from the DVLA, your vehicle logbook, so that's the V5C document, but it must be in your name, or the green new keeper slip from a logbook if you've just bought the car. However, if you don't have any of those documents on hand, you'll need to apply for a new logbook and you can tax your vehicle at the same time. So obviously before beginning, make sure to give this all a read, make sure you understand all your obligations, and when you're ready, you can hit start now. So first question, do you have a tax reminder letter printed in your name? So for the example of this video, I've got the V5C document, so I'm going to say no for this, but of course, if you do, say yes. And then if you did say no to that, you'll then be asked to clarify what type of document you have. So as I said, I've got the V5C registration certificate, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. Then once you've done that, if you're applying for your V5C document, you'll just need to enter the registration and the 11-digit reference number. Then once you've done that, you'll be asked to check your vehicle details, make sure it all matches, and if you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and click continue at the bottom. Now, I have already got road tax for a direct debit, so if you've already got road tax, it'll probably prompt you with this warning message here. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to proceed so I can show you the step-by-step process fully. But then once you've confirmed your vehicle's details, you'll have the option to either pay by card or direct debit. Now my personal recommendation would be direct debit because you can simply set it up and it should just renew automatically. But if you'd rather go by card, you can also do that as well. But again, for the example of this video, I'm going to go ahead and say direct debit. And then it will bring you through to this page here, which will tell you roughly how much your direct debit will cost each month. And as for me, you can see it's £14.44 a month, totaling £173.25 for the year. Now, if you did want to, you don't have to pay your road tax monthly. You can also pay it in intervals of 12 months and 6 months. And the benefit about this is you do actually get a discount if you pay it all in one lump sum. So this is definitely something to consider if you are able to pay yearly. Then once you've done that, again, you just need to double check the information, give it a read, make sure you're happy with everything, and you can then go ahead and enter your contact information at the bottom. But of course, this is also optional. Then once you've done that, it'll bring you onto the pay section. So you're just going to want to get ready to enter your details, such as your full name, date of birth, and email address. And then lastly, once you've done that, you can then go ahead and enter your bank details to set up the direct debit. And then once you've entered those details, just make sure you give that a read and tick the box to confirm that you have the authority to set up a direct debit against that account. And go ahead and click continue. And then once you've done that, you'll get the summary. So they will usually take a month in advance, hence why the first month is a little bit more. But you can see the full amount here is £173.25. And if you're happy with everything, go ahead and click submit. And then if everything's done correctly, you'll get a breakdown saying your direct debit has been set up and how often they're going to take payments from you. And it is as simple as that. And just in case there are any discrepancies, you'll also get a reference number as well. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.